video. So this one, I'm gonna make it very short for you guys. So here's the Chamberlain. Whoops. Here's the Chamberlain going up. So here's what we're gonna look at today. This one broke unexpectedly. Just to say about that. So, we are going to move on to the next door real quick. So, here we go. You guys want, I'm going to show you guys of me lifting this door before I end the video, okay? So, we're going to make it very quick. Alright, guys. Okay, guys, so this is a very quick. So, I want you guys to watch the door move, the chain. Well, here we go. Sorry for the delay, guys. A little heavy. You guys see how the door is heavy? Alright, guys, so here's the chain going down. Okay, so there's that one. Now, as I said about this one I don't know if it works or not. Okay, so we're moving on to the belt drive now. See there? Hey guys, so here, so today we are going to open and close the door from one outside and one inside. So here is one inside going down. So guys, I might just make the video one up and one down in here. So here is one going up. Okay, so now we're on to the genie. Here we go. Hey guys. Here's the genie and so what I did for the garage door update is the genie, the LiftMaster, and the Chamberlain. So here's the genie. Here we go. Here it goes down. Okay, so there's that one. So that's it for the garage door update, and I'll include the genie chain glide in this video. So see you there. Hey guys, so this one is the genie chain glide. So here's the video clip. Okay guys, so that's the last of this video, so I hope you enjoyed.